The mother of Bolanle Raheem, a lawyer who was allegedly shot dead by an assistant superintendent of police in Lagos, said the deceased was pregnant with twins. The deceased mother, Mrs. Salami, said this while speaking with Abiodun Alabi, Lagos Police Commissioner, during a condolence visit by the latter. Recall that Omo Bolanle was coming from an eatery with her husband and kid when she was shot dead under the Aja Bridge. Speaking during the condolence visit, the deceased mother said, celebrities like Nathaniel Bassey have expressed their pain at her death. Also, media girl Bolanle Olukoni, who revealed to have been an acquaintance of the lead lawyer, revealed that Bolanle Raheem waited many years to get pregnant only to die with her unborn twins. What is your take on the entire issue?